entire towns were built to support the construction effort. Human chains were used to transport construction materials. Human chains were used to transport construction materials. The emperor who ordered the wall is both hated and revered. Wall construction increased taxes all over the country. Children were forced to work on the wall. Criminal laborers who died were replaced with family members. Criminal laborers who died were replaced with family members. It took millions of laborers to build. It took millions of laborers to build. It took over 2,000 years to complete. It took over 2,000 years to complete.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.